Alright, for today's lesson, you're going to be inserting your keychain that you made for a 3D printer. You're going to put it in a certain file called a build plate so that I can 3D print it in the near future. So what you want to do is once you're logged into Onshape, go to Teams and you want to find your period. So if I'm in period 1, I would click period 1, and you'll see there's a folder here called period 1 keychain project. So I go in there, and then there's 3 build plates. There might be a 4th, but my idea is that maybe 10 students on 1, 10 on 2, 10 on the 3rd one. So go ahead and open up build plate number 1. If it's totally full, open up build plate 2 and so on. So I open up this build plate. This rectangle here is the same exact size as our 3D printer. Okay, so what's really important now is that you click on the Assembly tab. So down here, it says Part Studio 1, but you want to go to Assembly. Okay, so here's some projects. So what you want to do is you want to go to Insert up here, and then most likely you're going to click on Other Documents. So Other Documents right here, and then you'll go to My Onshape, and you will find the keychain you did way back. And so I'm just going to use this one here. So looks a little different here. So here it is, and you click it, and then you can place it. So when you place it, you are not done, because you'll see that it's off the build plate. So we have to do a mate. I'll hit the green checkbox. And so I'm going to want to do a mate now. I'm going to pick on planar mate right here. Planar mate. And then I'm going to click on the underside of this if I want to print it in this position. So left click one time there. Notice it populated there. And then I'm going to go ahead and click on the build plate. Left click there. And green checkbox. So now it's attached to the build plate. You can see it's right on it. So it's really important you do that. You can rotate your pieces if you need to, and then as far as moving them goes, we might have to sort that out later, but you can go here to, if you just try and move it, that's probably the simplest way, is just to move it. But we want to print things really close to each other. We're talking like, I want to print like 2 or 3 millimeters from each other. So the second project here would be extremely close to the first one. Okay, so we're going to print very, very close. All right? And that's all you have to do. Then I will print these build plates out, and hopefully we'll have no issues. But make sure that you do a mate, do the planar mate, so that your piece is mated to the build plate. All right, good luck.